All right, we're going to go through the exact same process as usual. x0 equals y0 equals 0. X dot at time 0 is v cos theta. Y dot at time 0 equals v sine theta. So we know x dot dot t is 0, y dot dot t is 0. As usual, these are our jumping off points. So x dot t is the integral of this and that's not 0, it's minus 10. Okay, so we have our formulas for x dot and y dot. We still need our displacement formulas. That's x dot, let's do one for y, x, let's do one for y. Okay. That's the first step of every single question we do. And you're going to have to show that in an exam. Now we can get to proving stuff. So the greatest height is when we go up and then start going down. So it's when y dot is 0. So we should be able to rearrange that and get t and then sub that t into y. So that's negative sine v sine theta over negative 10, so it's v sine theta over 10. So we've got negative 5 times that squared plus v times that times sine theta. So we've got negative 5 v squared sine squared theta on 100 plus v squared sine squared theta on 10. Am I at least on the right track? Maybe instead of 10 I should have had g this whole time? Yeah, I should have. So I'm just going to highlight everywhere I should have had g instead. Anyway, this is the same as negative 5 v squared sine squared theta over g squared plus v sine squared theta over g, and this is negative, and the squareds would have cancelled out the negative. Anyway, whatever. So if I want to put these together, no, maybe I'll do that at the end with the g's. So I've got negative v squared sine squared theta over 20, because I'm cancelling the 5 and the 100, and I want to get this one over 20. So if you get 20, it's just 2g. So I've got negative v squared sine squared theta plus 2v squared sine squared theta. So I've got v squared sine squared theta over 2g. And technically I should have had a negative there. But honestly, I'm a bit over it. I'm going to assume the negative cancelled out somewhere. Okay, number 2, horizontal range. Well, the horizontal range takes half the time for us to get to the top and the bottom. So t equals 2 times what it was at the top. Okay, now I should be able to sub that in somewhere. Vt cos theta. How's that going to give me that? Ah, double angle formula. Except I cannot remember for the life of me what that becomes. So I'm a cheat. 2 sine theta. I'm Googling this. I cannot remember. Sine 2x. Don't know why my negatives are disappearing, but I'm happy enough. And the next question, if the horizontal range is 5 times the greatest height, prove that theta equals that. So we're saying v squared sine 2 theta over g equals 5 times the greatest height, which was v squared sine squared theta on 2g. So we get double angle formula again. The v should have disappeared. Is that on the right track? Yep.